Thank you, Peter. Just to conclude this first talk, what are the issues today? Well, we have a diagram here of it all being a bit of a puzzle, because putting together a big picture, as we often say, of what ambitions and visions are, is a bit of a puzzle. And those issues for us today are still the perennial ones, as Peter emphasized, about identity. We shouldn't be designing places that look the same everywhere. How does one get to the essence of a place? What is the enduring character of a place that one can enhance and make very memorable? Community. We are sociable animals. We need places nearby to work, to go to school, to meet, to shop, to move around, and need to have a place to live, which has got all the support systems to make it a good place to stick around in, not just move off to somewhere else. It's rather good when people do grow roots, as they say in the States, and that's what builds up within villages and communities senses of obligation to one another, and tends to make places safer as well. So health and well-being, obviously always been a consideration. Like the very first slide we showed from the Industrial Revolution, improving environment was fundamental, still is. We need to get out of our cars more, to be able to walk around safely, to be able to cycle, to be able to encourage our children to do that. And so health and well-being are certainly core issues. But also we're coping with different technologies. When you think that even at the beginning of my career, area was typing and using tracing paper to draw on and things like that. And just imagine what's happened in the last 25 years and what will happen in the next 25 years in terms of how the technology can assist us in perhaps moving around, working differently, and so forth. We've got to imagine that. And are we making environments that are appropriately adaptable, as Peter illustrated with buildings? But right at the heart of it all, really, is people. It's us. Particularly people in this room, as designers, you're all involved in the process of influencing our environment, and the whole product is for people, it's done by people, and most importantly with consultation and participation, it's got to be done with people, because then if residents and others involved in the process are true participants, then they can help secure the outcome of better places, which is what urban design is all about.